Great. X squared, a bracket open 3 times x raised to power 3 whole raised to power 3 over 2 dx. So this is integration by substitution. In solving this question, before we start solving this question, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of this video. We are hereby to solve integration by substitution, and in solving this question we said let u represent 3 plus x raised to power 3. So if u represent this, you differentiate u with respect to x. So in differentiating u with respect to x, we have, this is constant, it will turn to 0. We have 3s squared. So you try to make the x as a subject of the formula. You want to put the s here because we are doing substitution, the integration by substitution, which we have du is equal to 3s squared dx. So if du is 3s squared dx, meaning that our dx is equal to du over 3s squared. So this is the value of the x. So you will now rewrite the question again to have integral s squared dot. So instead of writing this, you will just write u because you have represented it by u. We have a u dot 3 over 2 times dx. And what is dx? Dx is du over 3s squared. So we have dx du over 3s squared. So in view of this, s squared will now cancel s squared. So the value will now give us integral u onto 3 over 2 du times 1 over 3. So if this is now the case, it will now give us 1 over 3 integral u raised to power 3 over 2 du. So which this one will now give you 1 over 3 dots u onto 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1 plus c. So which will be 1 over 3 dot u. This is 3 over 2 plus 1. The xm is 2. So to give us 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus c. So which will now be, so we have 1 over 3 dot, this one will be reciprocate, 2 over 5 dot u onto 5 over 2 plus c. So this will give you 2 over 15 onto u onto 5 over 2 plus constant. So you will now substitute the value of u, which is this. So the final answer will be 2 over 15 onto 3 plus x raised to power 3 onto 3 over 2 plus constant. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So these are the values of the answer. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification in any time I'm releasing video.